Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'll be sharing my chicken Dabba Gosht recipe with you all. This is usually made with meat, but I have simplified it and made it with chicken. You can make it with meat as well. And this is a Bora Muslim delicacy. It's very easy to make and it's super delicious. There are many different kind of recipes of Dabba Gosht, but this is my personal recipe, so I hope you like it. So let's check out the ingredients, what we'll be requiring to make delicious chicken Dabba Gosht. 1 kg chicken meat, 4 onions thinly sliced, 200 grams of thick yogurt, 4 medium-sized tomatoes peeled and sliced, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of noodles, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. In whole spices I'm using cinnamon stick, few black peppercorns, few green cardamoms and few cloves. Around 1 tablespoon of garam masala or kitchen king masala or any chicken masala you can use. Few green chilies, 1 lemon, few coriander leaves and few mint leaves. 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Salt as per taste. First I'll make a marination for the chicken. I'm using thick yogurt. I've already whipped it nicely. Okay, to this now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. That's around 4 tablespoons for 1 kg meat. And in these spices I'm using all these spices. Add it. To this I'll add salt and give it a nice mix. There are many different ways of making, as I said, Dabba Gosht. This is my way. Usually I make it like this because whenever I used to have in a restaurant in Mumbai, I used to just love the taste and I thought I should try it at home, so I created my own recipe and I'm sharing this with you guys. So to this now I'll add my meat. So marinate the chicken nicely. So to this now I'll add lemon juice. I'm adding half lemon juice. Just mix it. So to this now I'll add the green chilies. You can use according to your taste. Alright, so I'm going to keep this for around half an hour, and after that I'll show you what to do next. So before that we'll get to our curry base. So to make the Dabba Gosht, what I've done is I've taken a thick bottomed handi which has a nice tight lid on it, and to this I've added around half a cup of oil, and now I'll add the onions to it. So I'll add the onions. Fry the onions till nice and golden brown. I'll add a little bit of salt. My onion is nice and brown. What I'm going to do is I'll remove some of the onion for the garnishing and then just keep it aside. Just this much. That's around half onion. And to this now I'll add the tomatoes. I'll keep few of the tomatoes for the garnishing as well. Around 1 tomato. So just stir it for a minute. So now what I'll I'll do is I'll add the chicken. So now just mix everything nicely. This smells amazing. So now what I'll do is I'll add a little bit of garam masala, maybe half tablespoon. Give it a mix. If you want, you can add this in the marination also, but this gives a nice fresh fragrance of the masala to the curry. So just cover it and cook it on low flame till around maybe 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, just check on the chicken how it's doing. As you can see that the gravy has become thin. So now to this we'll add our noodles. Put the flame on high and just mix it nicely. Alright. So now I have beaten the 2 eggs very nicely. Now I'll lower the flame and add the eggs on top. Make sure it covers the top. Onto this, I'll add the tomato slices. Onto this, I'll add some onion, fried onion, and half lemon juice. This is optional, and half the remaining garam masala which I kept aside, add that. Alright. So onto the top, I'm adding few mint leaves and coriander leaves chopped. Basically, Dabba Gosht is made in the oven. After cooking, when we add the egg, we should just add it to put it into the oven, but I'm making it without oven, so I'm going to keep the flame very low and steam it till I can see when the egg will be done, the layer of the egg will come on top, and that's when our Dabba Gosht is done. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to check. As you can see, the egg is all done and the oil has come up. This is when your Dabba Gosht is ready. So now I'm going to serve it. My chicken Dabba Gosht is ready, and I'm serving this with some bagara rice and tomato cucumber salad. And I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.